Welcome to my Coffee Break, a podcast by TU Darmstadt. I'm Sara, I study biomolecular engineering and I work as a student ambassador at TU. In this show, I'm sharing a coffee with professors and we talk about our university and programs. Today, my guest is Dorian Didier, professor of organic chemistry at the Department of Chemistry. Welcome, Mr. Didier.
Thank you.
Since it's a coffee break, which is your favorite type of coffee?
So I drink filter coffee. It sounds boring, but that's the most simple you can get and the fastest you can get. So I sit in front of my emails, drink my coffee, and yeah, I mean, I enjoy coffee, but the simpler is the better for me. Yeah.
This is a podcast for students who want to study at TU Darmstadt, and we want to give a glimpse to students about life here. What master program do you offer in the Department of Chemistry?
Yeah, so at the Department of Chemistry, we have inorganic chemistry, macromolecular chemistry, technical, physical, and theoretical chemistry. I personally teach in the organic chemistry master courses with a specialization in organometallic and heterocyclic chemistry.
And what do you think is so unique about the Department of Chemistry at TU Darmstadt? Why people should come here?
Well, the most important for me, and that's also how I saw my studies at the time, is that when you enter a master program, you need to have fun. And we actually have fun teaching with the colleagues in organic chemistry, and we have fun also doing research. So that's a very good atmosphere to study. And there are a lot of programs available with very different topics. So I think that's an attractive point here.
Have you made the case that students already choose TU Darmstadt? What should they bring here? What are you looking for in students when they come here, besides completing a Bachelor of Science in Chemistry, because it's a basic requirement in Germany? What are you looking for in students?
Yeah, so when you want to engage in a master program, I think what's important is that you be willing to understand more than learning by heart. Because if you understand, it gives you an opportunity to think about what happens in a reaction. And if you have a problem performing a reaction or obtaining a molecule for organic chemistry, that's what we're looking for, then you can understand why it doesn't work, solve the problem, or go around the problem, find another route. I think that's the important part, be able to think on your own.
How would you finish the sentence? You are exactly here at the TU Darmstadt if you?
I think you're at the right place if you like to study in an environment that is not stressful. You're not in a big city that's a closer environment, so you're closer to the professors as well. And I think that's important to be in contact with people who are teaching you. Yeah, it's a very good aspect. And Darmstadt is located close to Frankfurt, so for traveling, it's perfect. You have also a lot of beautiful cities around, but you're in a smaller city.
But we want to know something more about you. If you were to start studying again now, which bachelor or master will you choose?
So that's a difficult question because I really like chemistry. But in terms of creativity, I think that I would find challenging studying like programming, for example, so more in the informatics.
We are approaching a special highlight of our podcast. We are talking about coffee. Normally, where do you enjoy drinking your coffee at campus?
So we are very lucky in my lab. We are in the 7th floor of the building, so it was just renewed last year. And we have a balcony that goes all around the office and the labs. So in the summer, we just open the window and drink our coffee there. I know that other groups in the building are also doing that. That's actually quite nice, especially if it's sunny. And in the winter, we have a big coffee kitchen, so we drink the coffee with the group there. So every morning and sometimes at lunch.
Thank you for staying with me. It was a pleasure having you here.
Thank you.
And I hope you enjoyed this episode. Just check our social media for our next episode. Goodbye.